This is the new Razer Blade 15 Advanced with the GeForce RTX, and we have a cool new display. This display option is coming later this year. It's a 244 hertz display option, and so we're going to take a look at some of what you get from this display and also from this new GPU that's coming out this year. So I'm going to run down to this building. And as I come around this corner, I'm going to look into this car and you're going to see some really cool reflections. So here we're seeing some really amazing graphical power. You see my reflection, it knows this door is partially open, so you see two of me. There's a little bit of an imperfection on the car here, and it's just really impressive. And so if we go inside and we go up these stairs, now we're going to see another really cool demonstration where I'm looking into the glass in this cabinet, and it's picking up me and it's picking up this light that's behind me, and I block the light out. So these are some really realistic graphics that we're getting inside Battlefield 5 from this new powerful GPU. The Razer Blade 15 Advanced ships later this month and it starts at $22.99. Thanks for joining us to check out a really cool new gaming laptop for 2019. Give us a like if you found this video useful. Leave a comment and let us know what you're most excited to play on this or on this new GPU. And subscribe for more from Gotta Be Mobile.